Welcome to the cooler depot. I'm go ahead and introduce of the newest products behind me. These are trailers and a single axle, the curved display. So let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's length entirely about like 88 inches wide. They are about like 80 inches. And the overall height, they are about like 95 inches tall. So as we can see the front, we have a big hinge here. And the depth of it about like almost like 53 inches from the edge to edge. So this unit's front hinge have handles here. You can adjust the height for helping you to move this one to fit your height of your car, the trailers, to tow it away. And you can follow me to see the inner side. Let's go. As we can see, we have a door on the side of the units, and also having the power outlets right here connect with our generators. We'll unlock it, pull it out. Let's take a measurement for the door size. This door is about like 19 inches wide. And the overall height is about like 67 inches tall. So follow me to step in the units. This is the inner side of the units. We preset all the connection wires on the wall, and they come in with the LED lights on top of the units. And the switchers is beside the door, and the power box also right this hand. And we have two windows. They have lockers, and also you can simply to pull it out. For this window sizes, it's about like 51 inches wide. And the tall is about like 26 inches. And we also have a small window on the side. The small windows, it's about like 35.5 inches length. And the height is about like 1 feet 12 inches. Also the units, you can see the inner side. They have a small stage right here for the wheel to running at the bottoms. And the stage, they are about like 4 inches tall. Overall height of the trailers is about like 72 inches tall. And the inner side for the floor, the length, they will be about like 56.5 inches in the length just for the floor. And for the width, about 75 inches. And also the back side, let's take a look also outside the back of the units. As we can see the back of the side of the units, you can see the tail lights. They come in with manufacturer already pre-installed, and also having the hinge at the bottoms. This one will help you to stop the trailers, and you can adjust the side. They have both sides. That's what be the all information about our trailers. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us or just come to my warehouse to take a look.